What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute review, we have a new tile leveling system, an anti-lippage system to review for you. This is by AccuFloor. Now, AccuFloor has been around the business for a long time. They have a very popular clip and wedge system. It is a window wedge system. I have reviewed it. I'll leave that in the link description below. So this is something new. This is a one-piece, all-in-one tile leveling system. Okay, faster, less expensive because it's one-piece system. You don't have your wedge, you don't have your clip. Professional results, works on almost any tile thickness. So what we're gonna do, really simple, bring the camera up close, show you what these clips look like. Of course, we'll mix up some thin set and show you how quick and easy this system works with some porcelain planks. Before we do that, if you guys want to support my channel, give this video a like or buy yourself a shirt. Online store link is in the description below. Rockin' the black. Skilled labor isn't cheap. Cheap labor isn't skilled. So have this in white, have it in black, support the channel, buy yourself a shirt. Let's move on and unbox this and check it out. So here it is, Monster Clip by AccuFloor. Again, all-in-one system. You don't have a clip and a wedge, you have one clip to be installed. This is 1/16 of an inch. You have three choices of grout joints, 1/16, 1/8, and 3/16. So here it is, Monster Clips is a new and innovative product allowing anyone to install tiles lippage-free with professional results. Most other leveling systems require 2 or more components to achieve what Monster Clip does with a single piece. So not only are your installations easier, but they are quite a bit faster and less expensive. So let's show you what these look like, and then we will show you how they install. And there you go, your clips. Here's your base, 1/16 of an inch. Slide this under your tile, and then fasten like so. Let's mix up some thin set and show you how these work. Then simply squeeze these down to lock them in. Well, there you have it. Monster Clips by AccuFloor. Brilliant, awesome anti-lippage system. One piece rather than your clip and wedge. It is faster as well. I love it. I will leave links in the description of this video below if you want to check out pricing and specs on this system as well as other AccuFloor systems, but this one is really neat. Enter the code ETILE if you want to get 10% off as well, if you want to try these out. And other than that, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell notification so that you get notified when new videos go live. I'll see you guys on the next one.